Alright guys, so last week or maybe last month yung pinalitan natin yung left side. Ngayon naman yung nasirang brake light is the right side. So tools you're gonna need is a 10mm wrench, and then prying tool. Any prying tool would do. And then tanggalin nyo lang tong two screws. And also kailangan nyo din ng replacement bulb. So after yung matanggal yan, pry open nyo lang. Meron tong dalawang clip dito. Isa dito sa baba. So ito yung dalawang clip na yan. So again, tanggalin nyo yung dalawang clip sa far top right and lower left. Top right and lower right, sorry. After that, so yung brake light is yung dito sa baba. So ganyan. Dito sa baba is this one. Okay? So ang gawin nyo lang, I think it's counterclockwise. Okay, so counterclockwise, and then yung bulb counterclockwise din. So ito yung old, ito yung new. Lagyan muna natin yung old dyan. Okay, lagyan natin yung new bulb, align mo lang, and then clockwise, reverse order. Okay, now pagdating dito also clockwise, align lang. So yun, okay. Oops, align. Okay, so again, once aligned, clockwise. Okay, po kadali natin. Pagbalik yung madali sa lahat kasi alignment din. Yun lang. Tulak mo lang. And then here, obviously, have to put back yung millimeter screws. Okay, and that's it. All right, hope you liked the video. Thank you.